Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside shower, electric awning, backup camera ready, outside kitchen refrigerator, double step entry, LED exterior lighting, outside speakers, stabilizer jacks, outside storage, spare tire, solar power prep, flip down travel rack, smoke detector, detachable power cord, stainless sink, USB charging station, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, tire pressure monitors, front bedroom, mini blinds, flush mount gas range cover, bathroom tub shower combo, high-rise faucet, queen size bed, range hood with exhaust fan and light, entry grab handle, set of bunks, fire extinguisher, double door refrigerator. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.